Today I'm going to show you how to check if a collection exists using Qdrant in N8n in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful check if you're building workflows that rely on vector databases because it helps you confirm whether a collection is already available before you try to insert data, search vectors, or run any follow-up automation. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick N8n tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This can be an existing automation or a new workflow you're building from scratch. Once your workflow is open, look over to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add new actions and integrations to your automation. From the Nodes panel, choose Qdrant. You can either search for it directly or scroll until you find it. Once you select Qdrant, add the node to your workflow. This will give you access to the Qdrant specific options that N8n provides. Next, inside the Qdrant node, choose Check if collection exists. This is the operation you need when you want to verify whether a specific collection is already present in your Qdrant instance. It's a simple but important step, especially if you want your workflow to make decisions based on whether that collection exists or not. Now it's time to configure what you want. Set the required collection details according to your setup and make sure the node is pointed at the correct Qdrant connection. If your workflow depends on a specific collection name, enter that here so the node can check the right one. Double check your configuration so everything matches the collection you want to verify. Once that's done, your Qdrant node is ready to use. You can connect it to the rest of your workflow and use the result to decide what happens next, whether that's creating a new collection, skipping a step, or continuing with your automation. And that's it. You've now seen how to check if a collection exists using Qdrant in N8n. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more N8n workflow tips and automation guides.